In this lecture, we will write a simple text which will display a line in the terminal. Here, make sure you have Java selected in the left side and JDK in the project SDK section. Now click Next. Select Create Project from Template and Command Line App. This will automatically create main function for us. It's a general convention among coders to give the first code name as Hello World. As base package, write something unique. Conventionally, people enter their website name in backward way. In this case, I am writing com.zakariachoudhury. IntelliJ automatically created some initial code for us. In the right side, we will write our code, and in the left side, it displays all the file structure. You will find the code file inside src, then your package name, then your class name. Here, main is our class. We will learn more about class and object-oriented programming in other lectures. For now, let's write our first code. Write your code under this line. Here, we will just write a code and display a text. To display anything in the terminal, we write system.out.println. And inside the first bracket and double quotation, we write our text. Every line of code ends with a semicolon. Let's run this code by clicking this icon. Here, you can see it shows Hello World text. Do not worry about the text before and after Hello World. Let's copy paste this line and write another text. Press the run button again. We can see both lines in the terminal. Instead of println, we can also write just print. Let's see what happens now. As you can see, it printed the output in one line. There is a way we can add new line with print method. Here type \n. Now it printed the output in new lines. Let's see what happens if we write println now. Obviously, it added another new line. With println, we can remove \n from here. There is a common mistake that everyone does while writing code, which is forget to add a semicolon from the end of the line. Let's see what happens if we remove the semicolon from this line. It displayed an error message instead of Hello World text. It is saying at the line number 8 and character number 42, it is expecting a semicolon. You can find your cursor location from here. Add the semicolon again. Now it works. Congratulations! You have just learned how to write a Java code. Now go ahead and write the exact same code in your computer. Happy coding!